to turning the head of a flashlight when you want to narrow or widen a beam of light. But it's not dark all the time. In the summer, the sun comes out, the ice retreats, fish populations are going to flourish. These animals are going to get to eat. Now, I'm actually being applauded off by the people up front here. I'm just missing a keyboard cat to play me off. So I'm going to invite Catherine, as somebody who works so closely with these animals, to tell us a little bit about their feeding habits. Take it away.
Thank you, David. Hi, everyone. I'm standing over here giving you a wave so you can see where my voice is coming from. So belugas are opportunistic hunters, which means they'll eat just about anything. Here at the aquarium, we feed them a combination of squid and small fish, such as herring, capelin, and salmon. They'll also eat several marine invertebrates, such as worms and clams, which hide under the sand at the bottom of the ocean. But how do they get at this food? They don't have hands like we do. Instead, belugas have developed a unique feeding technique that very few other whales and dolphins have. They use their flexible lips to uncover food. By spitting water at the sand at the bottom of the ocean, they can uncover the animals hidden in this sand. Back to you, David.
Thank you very much for that. So this feeding technique you're seeing demonstrated right here is very useful in the shallower parts of their natural habitat. Contrary to popular belief, belugas are very comfortable in shallow waters. Now, you might see our belugas throughout the day, maybe up along the ledge across the front of the habitat here, or even around the backside, known as the beach, as it is much shallower water. There's Tika getting right up on the ledge there, showing us just how comfortable she is. Very nice. So folks, we've learned today these belugas, they're unique. They are extremely well adapted to an Arctic environment. We're happy to say that currently they're the most abundant whale species that we have in Canada, but there are several populations. In fact, 8 out of the 8 populations found in our country, 6 are listed as endangered or threatened. Now that's a serious problem. They're facing many challenges. Climate change seems to be the newest and the hardest one. As the Earth is shifting and changing, particularly in the Arctic, there's just not enough food for these animals to survive. But we're lucky. Here in southern BC, we're so intimately connected with the Arctic, our actions do have a direct impact. Now, we at the Vancouver Aquarium, we're very proud to be limiting our energy consumption and our carbon output in our everyday operations, and I do invite you to find different ways that you can do that in your life. Now, sometimes it's small things you might not realize. Unplugging cell phone chargers when you're not using them. Washing your clothes in cold water. Those are 2 seemingly insignificant actions which, if we all did it, could have dramatic impact on the Arctic ecosystem. So if you're already doing those things, folks, well, thank you so much. I'm sure our belugas would thank you if they could, but I'm going to be bold and challenge you to find different ways to help these animals. Now, it looks as though Keela and Kavna are trying to tell me subtly that we've reached the tail end of our show. I get it, ladies. I talk too much. So I'm going to take this opportunity to thank you on behalf of myself, Keela, Tika, Aurora, Kavna, as well as Julie right here, Sandra up front, Neil over there, Kristen right there, Catherine there, and Bobby hiding behind the rocks. Have yourselves a great day. Once again, folks, my name is David. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to come and talk to me. That's what I'm here for. If you're wondering when